a strange hum sound that almost killed a man. Windsor, Ontario, has dealt with a sound so mysterious it's driven people crazy. This low-frequency droning noise has been reported for years, causing headaches, sleepless nights, and even vibrations in homes. So what's causing it? Scientists eventually traced the sound to Zug Island, an industrial hub in nearby Detroit, Michigan. But here's where it gets interesting. When production on Zug Island slowed, the hum started to fade. Coincidence or clue? Frequency analyses showed the hum's intensity matched industrial activity. Yet the mystery remains. Was it just industrial noise or something more? The Windsor Hum left behind a lot of unanswered questions. Could other mysterious hums around the world have similar hidden sources? Or is there still more to this unexplained phenomenon? What do you think? Hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating stories. Until next time, keep questioning the world around you.